Hi everyone, welcome to Qube. In this no-nonsense, I'm going to show you how you can put a fresh, sharp edge on your card scraper for a perfect result. With this method, you'll be good to go in 60 seconds or less. Let's go. Things you'll need: a good file. Well, of course, your card scraper, a good file, a screwdriver. Doesn't matter which one, you just need the hard part on the bottom here. A piece of wood, which could help in aligning the file later on, but it's not really necessary. A little bit of white oil, or just your maintenance oil or whatever, just to make the cutting easier on your scraper. And then last but not least, a piece of sandpaper. The higher the better. In my case, I'm using the Scary Sharp system with a piece of glass and 4000 grit attached to it. Now, how does it work? First things first, you want a square edge on top of your card scraper. We'll do that by running our file over it as straight as possible. Clean cuts on the top, just like this. You can use a piece of wood as a piece of reference, just like this, just to make sure you have a square edge on your card scraper. You'll do that about 10 times until you see that the edge is clean and sharp. You'll also feel a little burr on top, on the side here, which will give you a perfect indication to tell you it's good. You're gonna clean up the sides on both sides, just to make sure everything is nice and square as possible. Now that we have a square top and square sides, now what you want to do is take your card scraper, put it on the side of your workbench, get your screwdriver and just rub the edges 10 times back and forth, just like this. If it's the first time you're doing this, or it's been a while, you can go up to 15 times if you will. Just rub them back and forth. You don't need too much pressure, just a little hand pressure. The weight of your hand, the weight of your finger is more than enough. Flip it around, do the same thing on the other side. Then once that is done, you'll take your card scraper and you'll put your screwdriver. I put it on really small angle, just like this. And you're gonna rub it back and forth. Put your card scraper in your vise, or put it down on your workbench, and again, light passes back and forth 8 to 10 times. And once you've done this perfectly, you'll feel a little burr on the edge of your card scraper, and you'll know you're good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and please share if you used this trick, because I know you'll be happy using your card scraper when it's sharp. Bye bye.